Hello everyone, today Evelyn is going to be teaching you how to make this tasty chicken soup. Let's get started. These are some of the ingredients I'm going to be using. I've got bell peppers, red and green. I have carrot. I also have garlic and peppers. I have onions and also ginger. And of course, we can make chicken soup without the chicken. So I have chicken in the pot already cut and washed. Please go ahead and leave a comment if you want me to show you how to cut a whole chicken in the comment section below. I am also going to be adding some dry basil. These are basils that I got from summer last year. I dry them and store them in the freezer. If you have fresh basil, go ahead and use that. A few leaves will be fine. Now I'm just chopping 1.5 onions. We are going to use this to steam the chicken. And it doesn't matter if you use red or yellow. And I'm also adding the ginger. The ginger is about 1.5 thumb size. If you want less, you can also use less. I'm going to add a little of rosemary. Just about 1/4 of a teaspoon, not that much. And a little of thyme leaves. I'm also going to be adding cumin, just a few drizzle, not that much. I'm going to blend all these together and add it to the chicken just like you see me doing. Also, I'm adding chicken bouillon powder. That is a teaspoon. You don't need that much. This chicken is really nice. And I'm adding a teaspoon of salt as well. Now give it a stir. And we're going to cover this and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. At this point, I am saying a warm welcome to you all, my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for coming back. My new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. Now that the chicken is boiling, we are going to cut the rest of the vegetables and boil on the other side. If you don't mind, you can add everything to the chicken, and when it's cooked, you take them out and blend. So I'm just cutting 2 onions. So in all, I am using 3.5 onions, medium onions for this soup. I just realized I forgot to tell you the type of chicken that I'm using. I am using hen chicken, the hen type. That's what I'm using. And the carrots too, I'm using only 1. And it was about 6 inches. Although I showed you 2, I realized 1 will be perfect for this amount of soup. I am going to go ahead and add 1 habanero pepper. Now just add water, cover it and let it boil for about 8 minutes, and then we'll add the bell peppers. So it's been 8 minutes and I'm going to add my bell peppers now. I brought this tomato paste here to show you something. It's 1 tablespoon. You add water to it and mix it until it becomes really smooth. And if your soup becomes lighter more than you want, you add the tomato paste and it's going to serve as a thickening agent. Or if you want more color, you can also add the tomato paste no matter what. But I do not want tomato paste, so I did not add any tomato paste. If only you get what I mean. If you like what you've seen so far, why don't you go ahead and give your sister a thumbs up. Also share with all your friends on your contact list and tell them to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Now the vegetables are ready, so I'm going to take them out and blend. The kitchen smells so good. The garlic and the ginger on the chicken, oh my goodness. It smells amazing. And I know the soup is gonna taste great. So I finished blending and this is how it looks. I'm going to add to my chicken. And I'll also rinse the blender and add the water. I am using the water that I used to boil the vegetables, so nothing goes waste. I'll give it a stir, cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes, then we'll check on it later. It's been 10 minutes. I'm going to check on the soup. This place smells amazing. I won't lie to you. I'm going to give it a stir and I'll taste it and see if my salt and everything is okay. Pepper is fine. I think I needed a little bit salt, so I'm going to add more salt to it. So salt and pepper to your taste. Now cover and let it cook for additional 10 minutes. This chicken soup is so good for the cold weather and for those picky eaters who want to take vegetables from their soup. Because everything is blended, they won't even realize they are eating carrot or bell peppers. And it's also good with fufu or yam. As for me, when I finish eating my plantain, I drink soup on top of it. So this is going to go with my plantain. Anyways, I'm inviting all the fufu eaters to the table. Fufu is ready. Let's go have fun. So this is the thickness I was going with my soup. If you want your soup to be on a lighter side, a lighter version, please add more water after you add your vegetables and rinse the blender. Add more water to it. So enjoy, have fun making your chicken soup. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Please share. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Adios.